In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could make a netherite sword here in Minecraft. Before we do dive in the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more Minecraft content just like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But the netherite sword is by far one of the strongest weapons in the game. Here's exactly how you can craft it. First things first, what you're going to need is actually a diamond sword as the base. On top of that, you're going to need to have 4 gold ingots, and on top of that, 4 netherite scraps. You're also going to want to find a netherite upgrade, which you can get in the nether just within fortresses and whatnot. But first things first, go ahead and navigate to a crafting table and place your netherite scraps down and then your gold ingots down just like so to craft a netherite ingot. And from here, place a smithing table down. And what you're going to want to do is just click on that smithing table, put that netherite upgrade in there, and then of course put your sword and then your netherite ingot to craft yourself a netherite sword. But yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. That's how you craft a brand new netherite sword. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more Minecraft content just like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.